Cloud computing has transformed how businesses operate by providing scalable, on-demand resources and services over the internet. Here are some real-world use cases: data storage and backup. Companies like Dropbox and Google Drive utilize cloud storage to allow users to store, access, and share files from anywhere. Businesses can back up their data securely in the cloud, ensuring data recovery in case of local hardware failures. Software as a service, SaaS applications like Salesforce and Microsoft 365 offer cloud-based software solutions, enabling users to access powerful tools without the need for complex installations. This reduces IT overhead and allows for easy updates and collaboration. Big data analytics. Organizations leverage cloud computing for big data analytics. Using platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP, companies can analyze massive datasets to gain insights into customer behavior, optimize operations, and drive decision-making. E-commerce platforms. Retailers use cloud services to manage online stores. Platforms like Shopify and Magento provide businesses with the tools to create and scale e-commerce websites without worrying about underlying infrastructure. Disaster recovery. Cloud computing offers robust disaster recovery solutions. Services like Azure Site Recovery enable businesses to replicate their systems in the cloud, ensuring minimal downtime and data loss during disasters. Machine learning and AI. Companies use cloud platforms like AWS SageMaker and Google AI to develop and deploy machine learning models. This allows businesses to leverage advanced algorithms without investing heavily in hardware. In summary, cloud computing offers versatile solutions across industries, enhancing efficiency, flexibility, and innovation.